Hey, welcome to Paridakshin Arena. So today I've noticed that there is an interesting thing that is going on. So which is Elon Musk is almost competing with number one Jeff Bezos in terms of the amount that he is earning every day is keep rising. And I was like happened to see the stock and it's like almost a straight line. So in just around since January, I think from 91 it went to 778. So if we calculate that, then it comes to like mm, very high return of high return of uh, return ratio, which is very like even I saw people buying this, getting the US trading account and trying to buy this stock just because it has huge potential to even move further higher. Like around it started with since then it wasn't just a normal rise. When it started at 75, 77, let's say 80, and it now is trading at almost 800. Or let's consider only even in the pre-market it is at 778. So it's already 28 rupees, 23 rupees up, and it's 778. It's around 698 divided by 77, which is coming around 70% within just 1 year. If you see, since when it started, in January it started, and now it is January, so it comes to around one year. He is the luckiest guy of all who uh, who has been successful in 2020. So why the stock is rising too much like this every day, every week? Keep rising. It's forming price actions very perfectly. Started like creating triangle patterns like this, and it's constantly moving higher. So someone who has who wants to buy it, so they can see these price actions and see. So it started with this, and so initially it started to rise, and then the March, the COVID was hit on this stock as well. And since then again, let's say even if the all Nasdaq stocks are moving higher, let's consider this as our main area where he has got this 52-week high. Since then, like in June, so since June it 189 to 778, it has risen from ashes, and now you can see after this breakout again, after such a big breakout, it formed wedge pattern. So again it started rising, and again it was in sideways consolidation phase, and now again it has increased to this till here. So you can see first it has broken the 50-week high, then it started moving higher, and then it was in consolidation. How many days? It will be in days, mostly 9 July to August. So around 1 month. 1 month it was in consolidation. It has risen from there, and again there was higher highs, sorry, lower highs, and sorry, higher highs and lower highs. How much it is around uh, here? When it is first September to November. So again it went into consolidation for 2 months, and it started rising again. So almost within a year, the stock went from ash to uh, uh, somewhere like millions and trillions of capital. So why this happened? What made this stock to run very high? Is that Elon Musk SpaceX has scored an early win in the billionaire race to space after US Air Force announced his Falcon rockets as one of the two winners of a multi-billion-dollar competition to replace Russian technology, Russian rocket technology. So this has led the stock price to soar, And the best part is they are doing it on recurring cost. Like let's say this flight has, I mean, rocket has been launched and deployed, and it again comes back and stays. Once the launch has been completed, it reverses from there and starts going down, and then it settles on the launch pad again. So that way they are recycling the same equipments to deploy it to the satellites, sorry, to deploy the satellite. So, and this is also made at very low cycle cost. So, looking at this, I think going forward, we would see some enormous support of private scientists or private technology to come into our Indian satellites as well. I mean, Indian satellite space as well, because this has become very huge success. Right now, what we are leading is all because of private sectors. Now, if that is happening in the space also, then India can see much better deployments of our satellites. And also the best part of his achievement is he has achieved this with commercially available fuel. So it has like three times of advantages, like recurring cost, life cycle cost, and the commercially available fuel. So these three has led, like no one has achieved this in terms of space. So this is a big enormous success, and now until like around 2 years or 1 year back, he was like almost broke, and I felt like even he will be bankrupted, because he is trying to he also has plan of building an auto driving car, so self driving car. So I thought he'll be in bankrupt within a year, but the SpaceX has lifted him from ashes, and you see Tesla Corporation has like bulged very high, and the name of the SpaceX that he has put forward is Falcon 9, which is one, and the other one is Falcon Heavy rockets. So these two, with these many achievements in just a year, I think this is just the beginning of what he has dreamt of. Like how huge successful it will be. So that is the reason why even he has funded with, even when he was in bankrupt. So he kept funding, and now I think his speeches, even his speeches, you can see how like enormously moving towards his goal. Even when there is like very deep, he will almost lose his life completely because uh, of this bankruptcy, and even then he has believed in his concepts, and now I think he will be the future of every person, like after Neil Armstrong or Graham Bell. The he will be in such a high situation that no one ever have dreamt he has tried to achieve. I think this is a good learning, and I think I thought I could share, because this stock is like you see the big volumes happening every week almost. So I think you can also read the news here. It's like they are rewriting the stock every time, because even if they know that this is expensive, but he might also give away this um, kind of cooperation to other countries as well. So even not give away, but he will try to uh, get the capital from by giving his technology. So that way, this can lead to like very enormous successful he has achieved, and you can see they are re-rating every time, and the results were positive, and uh, you can see in coming days this will be like trillions of dollars company. He is fighting with Jeff Bezos, who is number one now. I think in no time he will cross him. that so is the achievement. So he will not stop here because using this capital he will try to invent many things like this, and you can see he will change the face of the world in coming days. I strongly believe in him, that the vision he has, he can do very good things in going months. He is the one who has warned us against the AI, that it will take over the human race. Maybe if I hope that is wrong, but if that happens, that will be a disaster of human inventions. But he has very good vision on what he is speaking and what will happen in future. So SpaceX has uh, the turnaround story for him, to be the billion dollar company, or a $1 trillion company, I would say. And I think they are trying to compete with the Russian technology in terms of rockets. So let's go see if uh, there will be any future progress like these, and inventions like this. I found this is fascinating. So try to share along with the stocks, like learning also involved in what I'm sharing now, like how we draw the price action. So that's way I wanted to convey. And please subscribe to the channel, and I'll paste my Twitter handle below, or you can watch and like it. Thanks for joining.